Welcome to an in-depth comparison of the Nothing Phone 4a versus the Nothing Phone 3a. We'll be dissecting the anatomy of this year's upgrade. The Nothing Phone 4a is priced at 31,999 rupees, which is a 7,000 rupees difference from the Phone 3 as 24,999 rupees. Over 1 year of evolution, where exactly does this premium go? Both are elite mid-rangers, with nearly identical baseline satisfaction. The 4a has a slightly higher expert rating, but both share core triumphs like the bloatware-free Nothing OS, vibrant AMOLED panels, and reliable 50W fast charging. They share identical footprints, but the 4a has stronger armor. The Phone 4a upgrades its screen glass to Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, a clear durability advantage over the Phone 3 as standard protection. The 4a steps into a brighter future. While both use 120Hz flexible AMOLED panels, the 4a delivers a massive 50% higher peak brightness at 4,500 nits for unmatched outdoor visibility. The Gen 4 Advantage brings a staggering 47% leap in RAW and Antutu benchmark performance. The Phone 4 as Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 significantly outperforms the Phone 3 as Gen 3 chip. This performance comes with a thermal trade-off. The Phone 4a runs noticeably warmer under sustained load, draining slightly more battery, though it forces higher peak gaming performance. The silent upgrade is the move to UFS 3.1 storage on the Phone 4a from UFS 2.2 on the 3a. This means vastly faster app launch times and seamless 4K video saving without shutter lag. The zoom architecture evolves, granting the 4 a superior, lossless 3.5x optical reach. It shifts from a traditional telephoto to a true 50 megapixels periscope lens architecture. The 4a features an 8% larger 5,400 mAh battery, yet the increased screen and chip power consumption result in identical real-world longevity compared to the 3's 5,000 mAh battery. The ecosystem essentials show complete parity, with one glaring exception: the NFC regression. The 4a lacks NFC support, a distinct compromise for a device in this price bracket. Reviewer consensus highlights triumphs like the new glyph bar and bright display, but compromises include no NFC support, a bulkier design, and no charger in the box. Deconstructing the 7,000 rupees premium, you are exclusively paying for advanced optical zoom, extreme screen luminescence, and raw processing horsepower via the Gen 4 chip and UFS 3.1. The Phone 4a is for the power user prioritizing mobile gaming and advanced photography. The Phone 3a is for the value purist, wanting the clean Nothing OS experience and reliability while saving money.